In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to sign up for this feature, along with how to use it and some of the benefits of doing so. We'll get started by demoing how to sign up for this new feature. After logging into your account, navigate to the Account Billing section. Here's where you can see a list of your current subscriptions and a list of premium features that can be subscribed to. Here you can see that I'm already subscribed to the multi-user account and premium printing features. We now have this new feature called Advanced Product Management. I'm going to go ahead and subscribe to this. Now my account already has a credit card associated with it. If your account does not have a credit card associated with it, you will be prompted to add a credit card prior to the feature being added to your account. This does not charge your credit card. There is a 10-day free trial period. This merely puts your card on file so that at the end of the 10-day trial period, your payment can be processed. There is no obligation and no contract, so at any time you may cancel this subscription. Some of the immediate changes that you will see after signing up for this premium feature can be seen on the work orders. I'm going to navigate to a work order. With this premium feature, you now have the option to sort line item. These sorted line items can be seen on printed resources like the printed work orders, invoices, and estimates. To demo this, I'm going to go ahead and transition and correct the order of test product 2 or test service 2 and test product number 1. I'm going to move test service number 2 below test product number 1. I do that by utilizing these arrow keys. I can see that my change was successful. You now have access to the premium fields for specifying part numbers for products, manufacturers, shipping costs, serial numbers, and suppliers. If your shop likes to utilize default products that can be imported into work orders, you can specify default values for these fields associated with specific products that you sell on a regular basis. You can do that by navigating to the products area. Here you have a list of all the products that your shop deals with and can sell to customers. An important element in this, especially for shops that utilize this functionality, is the search feature. We have a filter option that allows you to search by products, services, and a new option called product group. A product group is a way to build collections of products and services that can be automatically added to a work order to simplify the work order creation process. An example of that would be an oil change that includes 5 quarts of oil, an oil filter, and maybe a disposal fee. And we'll be building one of those as an example and adding it to a work order. To create our product group, we need to make sure that all of the different service items that are associated with an oil change exist. All right, now that all 3 products exist individually, I'm going to create my product group, which is going to take the 3 products I just added and build these into a group. Now I have all 3 inside my new product group. I'm going to save. And I can see and easily find my product group by utilizing the product group filter and then specifying the name of the group. This icon here, anytime you see this, represents a product group. And so as you're scrolling through, you can easily see the difference here. I'm going to expand this and I can see within this product group I have 3 line items. Now we're going to jump over to the work order and add this to the work order just to see what that's going to be like. So my oil change service example group, I've picked that. I'm going to save it. It has been added. And if I need to edit any of these items individually to adjust like a price or anything unique about this specific work order, I can do so by selecting the edit and then adjusting anything here just like I normally do. One more thing worth mentioning, a new feature that was added, something called auto add. And this is a field that allows you to specify default line items for all work orders going forward. So if you know that every single job that you have to do will always require a disposal fee to be added to the work order, you can create a new product. Call it whatever you like. Specify default expense or unit cost. And then you can select this auto add field here, save it, and anytime you create a new work order, it will automatically include anything that you have specified as an auto add line item. And this will eliminate human errors. Say you have an employee that forgets to add a certain line item to work orders. This can make sure that that line item gets automatically added to all work orders. This concludes the demoing of the new advanced product management features. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at david@hibbittsautopro.com, and I'll be happy to respond to your questions. If you have any feedback on the new feature, please let me know.